Hi everybody, it's Julie and I am ready to get this book bound. So I've picked out my two signatures. I have my little template here ready, and it's a little bit shorter, but I'm okay with that, because I'm going to go ahead and this will actually fit on the paper. The book is just a little bit bigger than the paper. See, the signature will fit perfect on this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fold this in half. I'm going to do a 5 pamphlet stitch because I do have some short pages in there. And I'm also going to go ahead and fold it this way. Okay. That'll give me my middle spot. Okay, so there's the middle. Right there. Okay. And then we're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to count up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because I do want closer to the top this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that is going to be for inside the signatures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now remember, we took this piece from the graph paper that I had included in the kit, and then we took, so it's this piece here, we cut it out, and then we added this flap so that we would have a full page. So that's where we got this graph paper. It was actually in the kit. Okay, so if we go 1, 2, 1, 2, and okay, so okay, we're going to go in 1, 2, and a little bit, okay, because the reason for that little bit is otherwise we'll have a big gap in the middle. We want to, whoops, I didn't. Yeah, there, okay. I do that every time. Okay, so the center one is for our book, for our signatures, okay? These outside ones, these big ones, those are for inside the spine, okay? So inside the book is the middle, and these other ones are going to be for our spine. And things got away from me and I did not go buy my new awl. So I'll be using that little pokey tool that I've been using. Now you can use a tack if you need to. You know, one of those, these. Okay. That will work. And something with a sharp point. That will make a hole in your spine of your book. The spine of your book. So we're going to go ahead and poke it through. And we have a lot of glue. Okay, I need to go ahead and put down if I can get these to open. These are binder clips. Okay. These will help keep it lined up for us. Okay, and I had you do whatever your spine of your book was going to be. Was how I had you figure this out. Okay. You know what? Might be one time, it might be... I just wish my thumb was better, because it doesn't like doing this at all. Okay. Okay, and so I'm making the hole so that I can see it. Here it go through. This is actually easier to use than that big old skinny thing, but I'm always worried this is going to break. That's actually for quilling. But I had it in my toolbox, so you know, it's like you make do with what you got so that you can buy the things you want. I keep telling myself, go to the hardware store and get an awl. I haven't done it. But this is good because you probably have one of these hanging around that you can use. And you know what? I can negotiate this better with my thumb than I can the other thing. So that noise. Sorry. There we go. Squeaky, squeaky, squeak. Okay. And then we have this last one. We'll go around and around and around. There we go. Okay. Perfect. So our book is ready. It has its holes. And one time I forgot one of the holes, so always check, you know, before you lose the little thing. Okay, so now we're going to come over here and we are going to check our signature. And some of the items, like this one, is a little bit smaller, so you want to put them where you want them. Okay. Like these, you want to line them up to where you want them. It's like, do I want this down? So first thing I do is go through and check for that. okay, are things where I actually want them to be. I'm pretty good with this one so far. Okay. Now, we want to make sure that our seam is all lined up. So we should be able to fold it nicely. Edges should be in. And that is our center. Okay? So let's go ahead and fold this once again nicely. Make sure this is our center of our signature. It is. Okay, one more time. Checking to make sure. Okay. Now, instead of going straight in like we did on the last one, you can use paper clips to help hold it. Okay, now if you, there we go. If you're just doing a single signature, you can literally leave this in here. I know, because if you remember, I accidentally left it in on my last signature book. But you really don't want to get in that practice. Okay, so now we're going to come back with our little pokey tool. We're going to use the pen again, and we're going to go ahead and poke through. Okay. Yeah, that worked much better. Go straight down. That was really straight down. Yep. Okay, and I'm going to turn just because of my configuration of my being right-handed at this time. Perfect. Okay, see? When I went straight through, we did good. When I didn't go straight through, I went a little to the side. So let's make sure we're... Okay. Oh, very good. Okay,